How's that for a holiday tease? And now it's time. We'll take you to the live stream of Frozen Holiday Wish. Enjoy.
I can't believe we're really here! Everything looks so gorgeous! Who knew the holidays could be so beautiful?
I know, right?
It is beautiful, Anna. I mean, look at all the decorations! Everything looks so festive and fun! Oh, hello! Guys, we have some company!
Whoa, hi there.
Oh, hello, everyone! We are so happy to be spending our holiday season here with you in this magical kingdom. Who are they? Why, the townsfolk of this lovely land. Oh, the townsfolk, of course. I knew that. I am Queen Elsa of Arendelle, and this is my sister, Princess Anna. Oh, this is my Kristoff, and this is Olaf. Wait, where's Olaf?
He was right behind us.
Have any of you seen our friend Olaf? He's a talking snowman. Olaf? Olaf!
I think I hear him up there.
Here I am! Ooh, it's so high up. I feel like I'm on top of the world. Or a castle.
Oh, Olaf.
Oh, look at all the people. Oh, everyone's so cute and little.
Oh, that's because you're way up there.
It is?
Yes.
Oh, silly me.
Olaf, why don't you come down here and meet our new friends?
Ooh, can I? I would love that. Be right there. Oh, watch out for my butt! Incoming! I'm okay. I'm okay. Oh, boy. Hope that doesn't work.
Oh, Olaf. Hi, Olaf. Oh, Olaf, this is everyone. Everyone, this is Olaf.
Hi, everyone. Oh, whoa. They got so much bigger. They're staring. Why are they staring? Are they real?
I think so. Of course they're real.
Phew, that's a relief. Hi, I'm Olaf, and I like warm hugs.
You know, for a snowman, you sure do like warm things.
Yup, like summer. Oh, I've always loved the idea of summer and sun and summer fun.
It's winter.
Winter's good too.
Yes, and this kingdom is dressed so beautifully for the holiday. Oh, it really is. I love the trees wrapped in lights, and the bows and ribbons are perfect. And what's that amazing smell? Chocolate. I sure do love your kingdom. It's a perfect place to spend a winter holiday.
Perfect, except there's no snow or ice. Then it would really feel like winter.
That's right, like holidays in Arendelle. Sledding, and have a snowball fight, and go ice skating. Woo! And you could build a snowman.
Who likes warm hugs?
Yes, there's nothing as magical for the holidays in a kingdom that's covered in ice and snow. You know, this castle could use some icy magic.
Yeah, I wish there was someone who could turn the castle into ice. Oh, I know! Elsa! Why don't you ask the townsfolk if they know anyone who could ice the castle?
Olaf, we already know someone who can do that.
Yeah, who?
And she's already here.
Yeah, who?
She made you.
Oh, don't be silly. Elsa made me.
Elsa, wouldn't it be great if you used your frozen, fractally powers to cover the castle in ice and snow? Anna, I'd love to, but I can't. This isn't our home. We're visiting. Well, we have to be respectful of those who live here. But it could be like a holiday wish.
And I bet they'd like it.
I don't know. Wouldn't you all like to see Elsa cover the castle in ice and snow? See, they want you to do it.
The people want ice.
I Ice and snow. Ice and snow. Ice
Come
and
on, everyone! Ice and snow! Ice and snow! Ice and snow! Ice and snow! Okay, I'll do it. But I would like everyone's help. Will you help me?
Oh, this is gonna be so much fun.
Okay, everyone. Envision this castle wrapped in shimmering ice. The snow cascading down its tall towers, twinkling like a million stars. Now, feel the icy magic swell and swirl within you. Do you feel it? Are you ready? Now let it go!
Oh, it's so magical.
Now that's what I call ice.
Elsa, it's amazing! I love when you do that. You are right, Olaf. It does feel more like a winter holiday now. And what better way to spend the holidays than with family?
And friends.
And new friends.
Thank you all so much for having us here and for making our holiday wonderful. Happy holidays, everyone! Bye!
See ya.
Bye-bye. Happy holidays. Warm hugs for everyone. Oh. Hey, guys. No, wait for me.
Wow, that was incredible. The crowd here is just loving it. Did you guys love it? Yes, I thought so. Let's welcome back Jen Fickley-Baker from the Disney Parks blog. Jen, oh my gosh, what did you think?
Oh, I'm choked up. It's such a beautiful show, and I love Olaf. I just want to squeeze him.
Yes,
He's so
Jen
adorable.
loves Olaf. He was so cute.
Yes.
So how did everyone react on Twitter and the
oh
blog?
my gosh. On Twitter, we saw 13 million impressions of tweets in just since the time we started. It was absolutely amazing. I want to give a couple of shout outs to our viewers who are watching from around the world. Nicola Morgan says she can't wait to see this. She stayed up all night in the UK to watch, so she's tuned in from overseas. Lana, Joy, and Travis are watching from Colorado, so happy holidays to the three of you. And the Rorig family can't wait to welcome the holiday season in Disney style all the way from Texas. So thank you for tuning in, and happy holidays to you too. And now now for our holiday surprise to our amazing fans. Earlier we told you about some spectacular new shows and showed you some exclusive video. Jingle Bell Jingle Bam and the new show at Disney's Hollywood Studios is set to debut next week and is now the highlight of our new Disney Parks blog wallpaper that we are sharing with all of you tonight. Disney artist Brittany Unvarsky focused on the character of Wayne from ABC's Prep and Landing for this design. You can download this wallpaper right now by visiting the Disney Parks blog or using the link from our @DisneyParks handle on Twitter. All of us at the Disney Parks blog hope you enjoyed this little holiday gift and enjoy the holiday season.
Thank you so much, Jen. Thanks to Jen for bringing the presents, everyone, and kicking off the holiday season.
No problem.
Hey, let's take one more look at that castle, or should we say Ice Palace. It looks so beautiful on this perfect fall night. We're so glad that you could be here with us. Guests making their way into the Magic Kingdom right now are ready to enjoy the first night of Mickey's Very Merry Christmas Party. So guys, it's time for me and the rest of the crew to say goodbye. We have some candy canes, but now we're going to fill up on hot chocolate and cookies. So happy holidays. For more information on A Holiday Frozen Wish, Mickey's Very Merry Christmas Party, the new spectacular shows we highlighted tonight, and all of the other ways to celebrate the holidays across Walt Disney World Resort, visit DisneyWorld.com. From all of us at Inside Disney Parks and the Disney Parks blog, we wish you a very happy holiday. Good night, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.